Installing an operating system in virtual machine. Microsoft Virtual PC provides an effective mechanism for running multiple operating systems on a single computer. While the system requirements in terms of memory, hard drive storage, and processor performance can be steep, purchasing a single relatively system can still be far more cost effective than purchasing two moderately priced computers. Virtual PC is used for testing purposes as well as for running legacy applications that are not compatible with operating systems that are more recent. To begin the installation, start Virtual Machine, then select New, and then select Next. Select whether to create a virtual machine, which starts a wizard to configure a new virtual machine. Selecting the default setting to create a virtual machine bypasses the wizard and installs a default machine, which is more advanced, requiring additional expertise. Click Add to point to a virtual machine, create another machine and add it to the virtual PC. Create a new virtual machine, select Create, then choose Next. Provide a name and location for the new virtual machine. By default, the virtual machine file will be located in our My Virtual Machine folders in the default file folder. You can also select Browse to choose a different location. Virtual machines and their associated virtual hard drive can require a large amount of space, and so you got to be sure to select a location with sufficient storage. Select Next. Select the type of operating systems to install. Virtual PC is optimized for Microsoft operating system, and every version from Windows Network Station through Windows Vista is officially supported, including the various server operating systems. The option Other is for non-Microsoft operating systems such as Linux and may not work without its use. Defaults for the selected operating systems are displayed. Select an operating system and then click Next. Allocate RAM for the virtual machine because virtual PC utilizes part of your computer system RAM for the virtual machine. Use the recommended setting if you will be using the virtual machine in a typical configuration, or select Adjusting the RAM to set the amount manually. If you choose to configure the RAM yourself, either type an amount in the field or slide the pointer to the desired amount. Remember that the more RAM allocated to your virtual machine, is less that will be available for your computer other operations. After doing that, you click Next. Create a virtual hard drive. If you have a virtual machine already installed on a system, you can choose to use its existing virtual hard drive. Otherwise, you can select a new virtual hard drive and click Next. So by default, your virtual hard drive will be placed in the same location as your virtual machine. If you would like to save it in a different location, select Browse and choose a different file folder. You either accept the default virtual hard disk size or type in a virtual value. Remember this. Remember that this virtual hard drive will also take space from the selected hard drive, and after doing that you click Next, then Finish. Configure the virtual machine. Once the operating operating system has finished installing and the virtual machine has been created, select Settings to access a number of configuration options. You can change the name of the virtual machine, make adjustments to RAM and various other systems components, and set the default display resolution. Thanks.